Welcome back to the party. So it's a parade inside my city, yeah. Good morning, absolutely lovely people of the world. Well, my spring break started Tuesday. Today's Thursday. I think I'm going to get a hotel in the Dallas area. I want to stay kind of in Oak Lawn because I'm really taking like a liking towards that area. I haven't seen much of it. The Love Field area I really like. Anyway, I am trying to start again healthy, so we're back on the chlorophyll. My skin is kind of, yeah, it's looking rough. I'm gonna get it together though. Let's find a hotel and book it and drive to Texas tomorrow. So let's get into it. After like 3 or 4 hours of searching for a place that will give you a hotel under 21, finding one that was economical and finding one that would answer the front desk, phone, and the booking process, I have a place to stay for tomorrow night into the next day. One thing I learned about traveling is always bring like a party dress. Like, I don't have any plans of going out, but one time I didn't bring anything dressy or anything to potentially go out in, and I regretted it. So this is one of my like you met somebody dresses. I've never worn this. It's been in the back of my closet because I never meet anybody worth wearing a dress over, sadly. This is just like a dress I could wear to church. It is sleeveless. I don't think it'll be cold, but just in case, I'm gonna bring several hot weather church options too. And then this one is like this tangerine sundress, black party dress, just because the red one is more like a date. This one's more like going out. So that's that. St. Patrick's Day is also happening while I'll be down there. So I have this green jacket, a green skirt, and then this green tank top. Oh, I'm just packing and getting outfits together because, yeah, we are officially leaving out tomorrow.
You a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Ho, I got something that I could lend you. Ho.
This is a look at my setup. I literally took the shower stool out of the bathroom and opened the bathroom door up so that nobody could get in the door because this hotel gave me sketchy vibes. For sure, it was right in the middle of like the Love Field area. It was a Comfort Inn. I ended up going to a family friend's party and it was dressier, so I got to pull out the red dress for the first time. I had originally bought this dress years ago to go out on a Valentine's date with this dude, but he never asked me. The next day was Sunday and I went to church at my home church now here in Houston. And I wore the brown dress and I was just so happy because after the fact, me and my friend Denise went to lunch.
Yeah, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who's
oh law. I'm still kind of getting over this cold. I am back in my it's a parade inside my city, yeah. I'm just kidding. Today is Monday. My car is a hot mess. I have this cold, so like the skin around my nose is like peeling. I hate when that happens. I need a bit of sugar, so I'm gonna start the day with some Starbucks. Then we're gonna go to Target. Then we're going to go to the car wash, get a car wash, and vacuum this sucker out. Then after that, I'm gonna go to Ulta because I've been hearing about this perfume oil. Bag secured. These have just been the goat lately. Time to go to Target. This is my little cousin, and in so many ways my little brother. It's so crazy that he's going to be 5 in August. I remember when he was born, and it's crazy that there's a 15-year age gap, basically 16 years between us. Did you do your numbers? Yes, you did. Did you count? Boy, I know you did. I know you did. This was my last day in Houston before I got on the road and ran up that Dallas North Toll Alliance bill and went back to Dallas. And this is just a bathroom tour of a family friend that I was staying with. I absolutely love their house. He has a beautiful home, and I can only aspire, not only aspire, I will have a grand home one day with an awesome, spectacular bathroom too. Here's the deal. I'm back in my fave city. I'm in North Texas, north of Dallas. Today we're going to explore around the Dallas area. Might go to Fort Worth, I don't really know. This whole spring break I've been about trying stuff new, stuff I couldn't get at home. My hometown doesn't have a Dutch Brothers and I want coffee, so that's where we're gonna go first. I have been to this place called Swig before, but I haven't really been around the area that Swig is in. I've heard a little bit about Salina, and there's a Salina in Kansas, but the Salina in Texas is spelled with the CE instead of an SA. We're just gonna go explore around. So yeah, I'm so excited. It is a rainy day today, and I guess we're supposed to get some tornadoes. It's currently 11 o'clock, so I do want to be in the house by 6. I have an uncle that lives in Dallas, so I might go to dinner with him. I am so last minute, and I have like a little bit of people don't want to hang out with me or see me thing. Sometimes don't call or text because I just feel like the answer is going to be no. But don't do that. Closed mouths definitely don't get fed. I'm gonna be real with it. I was leaving the Houston suburbs yesterday, and I had my Whataburger, and I had a chocolate shake, and I'm lactose intolerant, so I had to stop at Kroger.
Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be shit.
As I was coming out of Kroger, there was this very handsome specimen, shall I say. He is like 6 foot, dark chocolate with a hint of milk chocolate.
Oh my.
Had a suit on, a navy blue suit, some designer looking shades. He was looking top notch. I had my traveling outfit on. I had on like this gray long sleeve. Not looking top tier. I was like walking in a crosswalk and he was walking, but he started staring at me. I was like, oh, he finna approach me. Then he didn't, and then I take a few more steps in the crosswalk, and here this man is approaching me. He's like, excuse me, ma'am. I was like, hi. I thought he was trying to get a number, trying to holler.
Psych!
And I sure was finna give him my number or my gram. But no, he approached me with some, do you pay your energy bill? I was like, no, I don't. Basically trying to sell me solar panels.
My disappointment is immeasurable. And my day is ruined.
I don't pay nobody's energy bill. I can't buy solar panels off you, brother. I should have got his name, but I don't want to be too forward, or maybe he just saw me as a business opportunity. I hate being rejected. That's another thing with like why I don't ask people to always hang out or go places, because what if they do say no? Like, rejection, it's something I have to get over, but everybody has their own little, let's go to Dutch Brothers. So I went to Dutch Brothers. Every place new that I'm trying to get something like that I've never had before. This is called a snickerdoodle. It's like a frozen coffee. It's pretty good. I like sweet coffees. This Dutch Brothers is in the McKinney location. I was also gonna get frozen yogurt today. Now I'm on the hunt for a cake pop, and not at Starbucks, somewhere kind of local. Then we're going to head into South Dallas, which is about a 45-minute drive away from here. I just put in cake pops in my area. Small cakes popped up. Now there is a small cakes in my town, so we're gonna try a cake pop. Well, unfortunately, that small cakes does not have cake pops. Across from here is TJ Maxx and a Ross, so I'm gonna go in both of those places. I did a little shopping in the Prosper or Frisco, I'm not exactly for sure. I went to TJ Maxx. I found a couple things. I'm a sucker for sunglasses, and I'm really just trying to protect my skin. I worked a couple night shifts. My under eye area, it doesn't look the same since. I'll show you guys. I am really a fan of black and gold sunglasses. I'm getting into my bulky galactic girl sunglass phase. They're very 2005. I like them. My fave to wear right now are these. I feel like the shape fits my face very nice. These are like at the pool sunny oneies.
Yeah.
You know, at the pool, don't want to be bothered. These are airport sunny oneies. It's a lot of coffee. It's got like a chocolate dough, caramel, snickerdoodles, the flavors. We're heading to South Dallas. I'm going to drive around, kind of look at the areas. One thing I'd like to do when I go to an area is look at the post office, because if the post office is giving the area is probably giving Years and years back, 2019, me and my sister went to a Chipotle, which was really, I want to say it was outside of Duncanville, but I'm going to try my best to see if I can get back out there, because I don't remember if it was like in Lancaster. Let's hop on this highway. I found the beauty supply store in this area. Got a few things, some stuff that they don't sell at the beauty supply back home. I called an apartment complex that one of my friends lives at. I'm going to check out that area. I have an appointment to go see the a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom at 3:45. I'm just going to stay in this area and just see what they have to offer. I know that there's a school in Duncanville, like a high school that's supposed to be super duper popular. I'm gonna just drive around, see what I can see. Like I said, I've been to it before a little bit. Let's explore.
Don't mind I waste time. I'm prone to that. Do it all the time. Keep your guards up. Who waited line? You don't need me. Please believe me. This ain't easy. You know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you.
I'm not exactly sure what time I made it back to my uncle's house that day, but there was terrible storms all up and down the North Tollway.
What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do.
And while we're at it, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Ace of Andrea. This was my first ever acai bowl. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I haven't had one since then, but it was so good. Then I got my favorite In-N-Out, the animal fries. And then I was looking for some yellow Crocs and I finally found them, y'all.